Hey, Tamir from FIBONACCI-Traders.com, your midday market recap special live. Ask me anything that you want. This live is for you. You can ask me whatever you want. It's 12 a.m. China time. It's already May 22nd here. Where are you from in the world? Let me know in the chat. Say hi. Don't be shy. Don't hang me. Let's just adjust this one a little bit. Now we're set to go. Don't hang me out here by myself. I know you are out there. Say hi. Don't be shy. Ask me anything that you want. Until then, let's check the board. Let's check what a SPY, Qs, and all the rest are doing. This is the SPY in the 65 minutes. Nothing much. Pretty, I don't know, in the past 2 hours or so, pretty tight price section. 530 to the upside, 530, 60 to the upside, 530 to the downside. This is how it looks on the 60 and the 15 minutes. Also on futures, 2 hours, not much of a movement. Let's check the rest of the board. Let's go on and check what's going on with Meta. Meta we took short in the Discord, in the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We are inside this downtrend channel. Look at this, no need any other indicator. We are inside downtrend channel, so why not take short? This is for day traders. Let's see how it works out. We can also put the FTI on our chart. And look at this. Next support, we are heading back to the 460. So who is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's evening somewhere in the world. It's middle of the night somewhere else. It's midday or even morning at some places. Let me know where you're from in the world. This is how this Apple 65 minutes looks. Broadening formation now, 2 consecutive dojis of this broadening formation. 192 needs to hold, otherwise 191, 190, 80 to the downside. We can take also this one. Now we are more accurate. 191, 90, then 191, 30 and 190, 80 to the downside. Let's check Tesla intradays. In the Fibonacci Traders Discord, we said we want to go long above 179. This is the Fibonacci Traders Discord, if you don't know. Tesla long above 179.70. We have trading floor in English. We have swing lounge. We have day traders, options room, crypto. We have trading floor in Hebrew for day traders, for swing traders, futures, general chats, and many more educational resources. So join the Fibonacci Traders today and you will start seeing results pretty quick. You can take Fibonacci now. This is the swing low, swing high, and now next resistance is the 181.41 and 183.61 to the upside. Hi Shai, hi Edilson. So, who's with me? Only 4 viewers, not the most important 4 viewers that I have. So thank you very much for joining this live. 2 questions, yes. This is a tool that I've developed based on my experience, 7 years plus of experience, everything that surrounds Fibonacci, everything. This is the latest version, okay? We had some versions. Every time to time, I'm tweaking it a little bit, making it a little bit better UI, user interface. But basically, this is it. Very simple to use. You just put it on your chart and it gives you everything that you need in terms of support, resistance. You can also add the lines, and as you can see, we are inside a downtrend on Meta, and you can also use the table. Where's the table? Why I don't have the table now? Now I will have the table. See? Everything that you need for, in this case, it's for day trading. 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 65 minutes, sell, sell, sell. So for day traders, we are good to go on the short side on Meta. AMD. You want AMD? Let's check. AMD. 1 second. AMD. We talked about AMD every day that time. Every day, just remember, every day, 12 a.m. Eastern side and around 8 a.m. Israel time, I'm posting my daily market recap. 2 videos, one in English, one in Hebrew. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I go over SPY, QQQ, IWM, Dow Jones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XLE, SOXX, Magnificent 7, sometimes the gas and the oil, gold, all the Magnificent 7, Shopify, Netflix, Palantir, Tesla, MicroStrategy, SMCI, and many more interesting names. So make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell. AMD, super interesting, above the 170 area. As long as above the 158, we are good to go long. But if you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above the 169.70. Don't forget, Wednesday, tomorrow after the bell, Nvidia's earnings. Nvidia's earnings will affect all the semiconductors, including, of course, AMD, to the good side or to the bad side. No one knows. Just be prepared. You mentioned in your course that one should enter a trade after a ticker established its price above a specific reason. However, in many cases, once this goal is achieved, the buyers are exhausted. What do you mean exhausted? How do you know buyers are exhausted? Let's check AMD. You have some kind of example. Annette, for example. I think you gave Annette on the Discord. So let me help you with this. Annette, what do we see here? First, let's change it back to swing traders. 65 minutes daily. 4 hours, sorry, daily. Weekly. Now, Annette, on the daily and the weekly, still bullish. But now, let's say you took Annette over here, okay, on this breakout, or on this, if you took Annette on this breakout, you're still good to go long. If you took Annette on this breakout, now your stop loss is just below the 310, right? Below this area. Or it just hit today, which is perfectly fine because there is no continuation for this trend. Okay? So it depends where you entered. If you entered here, you're still long. If you entered here, your stop loss just got hit. Lower volume doesn't mean anything. Lower volume does not mean anything. Look at this. Look. You want lower volume? Let's check SPY. SPY is not a good idea because the volume is basically the same. Let's check Apple. Lower volume, lower volume, lower volume. Still goes up. You see? Volume, lower volume goes up. Lower volume goes up. Lower volume still goes up. Right? Let's check Mara. Lower volume goes up. Right? Lower volume, it's still up. It's still up. Volume does not mean anything. Look at this. Tesla, lower volume, but goes up, right? You have this trend line. Higher lows, higher highs. Volume, not going up. So what does it matter? Volume follows price. Price doesn't follow volume. Volume follows price. Think about it. If Tesla now will break above the red line, okay, and goes to 200, volume will keep rising. Above 214, above 230, above 214, all the media will go crazy about Tesla, right? Tesla is this, Tesla is bullish, Tesla goes to 500, What will happen with the volume? People that are not traders, that are not investors, will start hearing all across the media, Tesla is bullish, this is the time to buy Tesla. They will start buying Tesla. What will happen with the volume? The volume will increase, right? So volume follows price. I don't use volume as an indicator whether to go in or out of my position. I hope it helps. How do you handle this situation? I hope it helps. ATO. I thought it's Ask Me Anything. Special video. Not only about chart requests. ATO. I'm not a fond. I don't like this price action. I just don't. Sideways move. As you can see here. Mixed signals. Volume. You can see volume dries up. Nothing happens. Nothing to the downside, nothing to the upside. Follow volume. Doesn't mean that now sellers are getting weaker and we will see a break above. Doesn't matter. If we will see a break above the 120, volume will increase. If we will see break below the 117 or below the 116, volume will increase once again to the downside. MPC. Hi Arik, hi. Good news about IBM, right? From pre-market prep. MPC, what do you see? Downtrend channel below the yellow zone. If you want to go long, this is not the time. If you want to go short, as long as it's inside this downtrend channel, the way is down. Rusty Nail, I disagree. I disagree. If you are day traders and you follow volume and it works for you, perfect. I don't follow volume, I follow price. I don't care the volume. I follow price. And as long as the price goes on my way, I don't care the volume. I really don't care. Everything follows price. Everything follows price. ATO, good entry. As I said, only above 120. Only above 120 for long. Only above 120, in my opinion, of course. This is my opinion. Do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. In my video yesterday, Tesla was all red. I don't remember what it was. It was all red. And today, all green? Could be. It's breaking above the yellow zone. I don't remember what it was yesterday. Yep, it's moving fast. The market is changing fast. Now that we got this buy signal, doesn't mean we need to go long. We still have to break above this red line. It just means that if we are short on Tesla, maybe it's time to rethink the short, because Tesla, in the past few trading days, in the past, I don't know how many trading days there it is, 6, 8. In the past 8 trading days, Tesla is grinding up with higher lows, right? And higher highs. You can see clearly a short-term blue channel, uptrend channel. It doesn't mean we need to go long. It just means that if we are short, it's time to rethink our short position on Tesla. If it will break below the blue line, break below the 169.90, then everything here will turn into bearish once again. This is how it works. Trading moves fast. Trading moves fast, yes? This is why we have this FTI on our chart, to help us make better decisions, smarter decisions, and emotionless decisions. As much as possible. We are all human beings, right? As much as possible. This is what we want. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Not many likes that I see here. Where is everybody? Everybody wanted special live. Ask me everything. Ask me anything. Meta still going to the downside. Now our stop should be just over here at the 467. 467. This is our stop on Meta's short. We took short on Meta. Still working, still working. IBM, what's going on with IBM? IBM looking good. Now, if you didn't watch my top stocks to watch that I post every Sunday, you missed OPFI. Look at this. OPFI. Monday, 11%. Today, another 8%. Alcoa. AA. Monday, 3.4%. Today, another 3.4%. 7% in just 2 trading days. And these 2 stocks are from my top stocks to watch that I post every weekend. One in Hebrew, one in English. What else do we have from my top stocks to watch? We are watching closely Starbucks. We are watching Starbucks to break above this 78, and then we will start taking long position all the way to this gap over here. Microsoft entry point. First, if you need, and I tell it not just to you, Divido, I don't know how to say it, Divildo. If you need to ask someone on social media where to buy, what to buy, where to enter, and how much to enter, please, for your own sake and for your own money's sake, please do not do it. I've been there, I've done it. There is no road that will take you to a safe place if you follow someone. And it doesn't matter if it's me. Don't follow me. Don't trust what I say. You can take my idea, but in the end of the day, you need to be able to make your own conclusions, your own due diligence, because if you don't know, you will wreck your portfolio. You will only lose money. Even if you follow the best trader in the world, but you don't understand what you're doing or why that trader gave you this entry point, or why he told you buy this, sell this, and how much money to put. If you didn't understand this, you are doomed. Really, I've been there. I've done it. It took me 2 years to understand that I cannot follow others to tell me what to do in trading. I need to develop my own strategy. I need to become my own indicator. Anyway, if you're looking to go long on Microsoft, I think as long as Microsoft is above the 415, it's good to go long on Microsoft. Comtech, once again, nothing here is personal, okay? Don't take anything here personal. It's my opinion, it's my idea, and I'm here to help you. First, protect your money. Because if you don't protect your money, if you will not protect your capital, you won't have any more money to trade with. So the first thing we need to do is learn how to protect our money, how to protect our capital, and how to do it. First, we need to stop follow others to tell us what to do, and how to manage, and what to buy, and where to buy. Believe me, I say it for your own sake, for your own money. Why? Because I know what you're going through. I've been there, I've done it, I fell down so many times during my trading journey. So many times I failed because I listened to others, I followed others blindly, I took the wrong courses, I used the wrong indicators, I used the wrong strategies. I tell you, it took me a little bit more than 2 years until I saw the light. Chemtech, really good, bullish until proven otherwise. As long as you're above the 97 area, you're good to go long. Next resistance, the 110, 119. Why do I use the 65 minutes? Because 6 candles of 65 minutes gives us a full daily candle. You see, 1, 2. This is yesterday's candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete day. If you use the 60-minute candles, the last candle is always 30 minutes. So it's not really 1 hour candles, right? Because the last candle is always 30 minutes candle. I need something that is consistent. As a trader, I'm looking for things that are most consistent, that can help me. 65 minutes, 6 full candles of 65 minutes gives me a full daily candle. Your portfolio perform the S&P? It depends. It's a good question. And let me answer you by that. Let's say like this. You have $2,000 US in your portfolio. Okay? Not 2,000. $20,000 US in your portfolio. And you make throughout the year, let's say 10%, 12%, I don't know how much the SPY is, around 10%, right? Average, 10, 11%. So you made throughout the year $2,000 US. Congratulations. Even if you made 15% from this $20,000 US, how much money you made? $3,000, right? Congratulations. You just outperformed the S&P. But you made $3,000 US. Now break it down to 12 months. You're making around 220 or 230 US per month. Now, if I will tell you that I don't outperform, I don't. Let's take for example, okay, I don't outperform in my trading account the S&P. But if I will tell you that with my strategy, with my support and guidance, you can make in your first year of trading average around 100 US per day. Average. Some days, some weeks, you will see red, deep red. But average, yearly, you will make in the beginning, 100 US per day. Average. Now you have 252 trading days. 100 US times 252 trading days. You just made $25,000 US. but you did not beat the S&P. What do you prefer? What do you prefer? And your starting point is the same thing. $20,000 US portfolio. Take and beat the S&P throughout the year, 15%, or don't beat the S&P. It doesn't make sense, okay? Because in the end you beat. If you make $100 US and you make every day average $100, but you don't beat. You don't have $20,000 US portfolio. You have, I don't know, $200,000 portfolio. 200,000, you make 25, okay? You make around. So if you make $100 US per day, think about it this way. Don't think percentage. Think money. Always think money. Don't think about what happened to my mic. Just broke today. I need to buy a new one. So sorry for this. You got it. Okay, perfect. Thank you. By the way, I've been following you for the last 2 months or so, and I quite like the way you're using quite like. Thank you. It took me 2 years to find how to use correctly the Fibonacci. It took me 2 years until I've developed my strategy based on Fibonacci, trend lines, and that's it. And if you want my help to shorten your learning curve and join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, and if you want to join students from all over the world that came to me and I help them, and I still help, I still provide guidance, I still provide help, guidance, support, whether it's for day traders, whether it's for swing traders, options room, crypto, also in Hebrew. Also in Hebrew. So if you want to learn from my experience, shorten your learning curve, check the links in the description below. Choose your path. Choose the one link to invest. First of all, invest in yourself. Before you invest in any other stock, in any other thing, first, invest in yourself. Invest in your education. It's like you want to be an accountant, you go and invest in your education. You want to be a pilot, you go and invest in your education. Right? You want to be a scuba diver, you go and invest in your education. Everything you need to invest first in yourself. It goes also for trading. Invest in yourself. And once you choose, if you choose to invest in yourself with one of my paths that you see in the links below, whether it's the one-on-one, whether it's the online, if you choose one of those, I guarantee I will do everything that I can to shorten your learning curve and help you become a professional trader. By the way, you don't need to quit your daily job to become a professional trader. You can be a professional swing trader. You know what it means? It means that most of your work you do on Saturday or Sunday when the market is closed. I go over every weekend. I will show you if I can here. I have a list, general list. You see this? 800 names. Every weekend I go over these 800 names and I filter my top stocks to watch. This is what I do. I set alerts. Once the alert is set off, bam, I'm in the trade. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't need to follow each and every day. This is the beauty of being a professional swing trader. You do most of your work during weekend, so you're free the rest of the week. Just come by 1 hour before the end of every trading day and check whether alerts set off or not. That's it. That's it. And I promise I can teach each and every one of you how to do it. I promise you that. So if you really want to do it, check the links in the description below. Any other questions? Any other requests? It's 12:30 a.m. China time. Any other requests? Any other questions? So, once again, thank you very much for joining this special live. Like, subscribe, notification bell, you know what to do, you know the drill. Until the next video, until the next live, enjoy the rest of your day.